Good Monday morning. Hope everybody's starting off the week with a big smile and good attitude, and because we just come through the weekends, and I hate to say, Sundays are hard on me. I mean, they take their toll on me. I really miss there on Sundays, and it's pretty hard, but we got through it. Starting a new week, new things, new projects, and everything. So, got some birthdays today. The anniversary. We're gonna start off with the birthday, Leanne Medlock. Happy birthday, Leanne. Looking forward to seeing you at homecoming. I know that Jim and Jimbo and all them gonna give you a great birthday today. And also we got another friend of the family, Rachel Fisher. Happy birthday, Rachel. So, not quite sure what Travis would do, but make him do something. So, happy birthday to you. Anniversary is Caitlin and John Ball Vancouver. Hell, I messed that up, John, but happy anniversary, John. So, I listened to pronunciations and they didn't sound right, so, and everything. So, looking forward, hoping we can get out there on top of that mountain where you live at next summer. So, got a meeting for Relay for Life tomorrow night, Alcovy Methodist Church. Time for us to get all back involved and get doing that. And Sarah very passionate about it and everything. So we all are, because we all been affected by cancer. Don't matter big, little, small, or what. We all been affected by it. And so, got to keep in mind and keep raising funds, and there's always progress going on. So come to one of our join the Neck Relay Life team. Come to hear some people that done great, and also from the funding that we raised. So I guess that's about it today. Hope everybody having a great day. Stay well. It's gonna be a hot one. And hey, Miss Khalil, and here's our bell ring for the day.